Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up Face Unlock on your POCO M8 Pro smartphone. First, open Settings on your device. Then, scroll down to Fingerprints, Face Data, and Screen Lock. Then you're gonna have to select Face Unlock. Enter your pattern. And before adding a new facial data on your device, make sure that your frontal camera is clean and smooth and you can clearly see your face in it. So wipe it with the piece of the microfiber cloth, and if you don't have microfiber cloth around, you can still use a dry towel. Even a paper towel will most probably go. And also make sure to adjust the lights in your room so that they face you and not your device's frontal camera, so that you can clearly see yourself in it. And then tap Start, then wait for about 5 seconds and tap Next. And after tapping Next, look directly at your frontal camera and keep your face inside a frame. Wait until the blue circle is filled, and right now your face is added successfully. Tap Done. And then if you want the settings to be applied fully, let's restart the phone by pressing power button and volume up key at the same time. Then swipe down the circle, select reboot. Usually everything will work just fine after you first try to unlock the phone with your face, but in case it doesn't, this little trick will help you the most. Okay, and once your phone is restarted, first we're gonna have to unlock it with a password as a security measure, and then we can try to use our face model. So just look directly at your camera while unlocking the phone, and as you can see, everything works just fine. And I hope that it does for you too. And if this video helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.